I have another call today to fix a central furnace. The brand is Goodman. Um, the customer complaining because the heater doesn't turn it on, and then I would just open it and then we'll check it out what's going on. So right here, we're gonna turn it on. Taking it from the thermostat. This is the Goodman thermostat. We're just gonna put a heat. We're gonna adjust the temperature a little bit higher. Okay, the induction motor came on. Then we're gonna start seeing what's going on over here. You hear the gas going through it, but it's, well, actually with this unit it's a hot surface igniter unit. Supposedly the little rod on the back has to be come on, but has to light it up, right? But I don't see anything. I just hear the gas going through it. Maybe, okay, maybe that's gonna be the problem. We're gonna check it out right now. Yeah, it's connected. It's right here on the top. That's gonna start again. And here, this is the clicking. There we go. There's nothing there. You hear the gas. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Sometimes I like to use it universal parts. And then I have one with me. That was it just came from White Rogers. That's Emerson brand. You can see it's a hot rod 21D642. And the back you will find a lot of cross reference. That's if you have idea that's gonna fit in your unit. Well, we're gonna check it out right now. We're gonna start replacing it, and then we're gonna start from there. Most of the people, to make sure if the unit something wrong with it, they just disconnect right here, this plug right here, the right way basically. They just put the meter lead inside and make sure the 120 volts going to it. Try to put this thing here. One pen. There we go. It's right there. You have to meter, put the 1 liter meter right here, one here, and you're gonna have a 120 volts. In this case, I know for sure this one has a volt, have a power inside. By my experience, I just gonna replace that part right here, and then we're gonna start from there. Right here, we're gonna look at the old part. Right here, this is the old model number. 20165703. We're gonna look at on the cross reference. You're gonna find right here the brand is Goodman. They have for a different type of the brand. You see Nordyne, Norton, Armstrong, all kinds of brands right here. You see the numbers right here, 20165703. Same number what we have on the old part right here. Same numbers. you can see 21165703. 20165703. It's right here. That's mean that's gonna fit. I'm just gonna replace it right now. The part I like it with the universal part, it's sometime in this case with the hot surface igniter, we see different type of the plates in case you have a problem with the plate that's gonna go through it. But so far I think we're gonna be okay to install this little unit directly on the old hole right here, like that. Just let me install it for you. Let me install it, and then I'm gonna tell you right now. The hot surface igniter was installed again. We're gonna see right now the part of the all the way back. You see, it's brand new. We're gonna see right now what's going on. See what's becoming red. The gas going through it. Something happened right now. We'll check it out right now again. Right now the unit's working fine. All burners come on, stay on. There's no problem at all. In this case, that's just only the problem I found right now about this thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing the service, like change the air filters, check for gas leaks and stuff like that. But basically, we're done already because we found the problem, we fixed it. Right here is the old igniter. That's the new igniter.